we have added a Keynote version of this template. So when you purchase this template, you'll see a PowerPoint version and as well a Keynote version that you can use. Now, there are some differences between the PowerPoint and Keynote version, and the difference is basically that in Keynote you won't have the hand. So you won't have the hand drawing or pushing stuff around, but you have all the other animations and some more really interesting animation. Now, if you're using Keynote, then once you've downloaded the project, you go to the Keynote project, go to the Start Here folder, and there you see two pre-made stories. I'll open up one for now. And in this one, you can see the project. You have some info here. You can delete this slide. And here you see the project. And you can just play around with this, change the text. You can change the color of the text, and you can change basically everything in this. Now, this is a pre-made, pre-animated story. You can move around the slides, change the order of the slides like this. You can change the characters easily. Let me show you how to do that. The characters are included in separate compositions, in separate files. So when you want to copy, let's say, a file, all you need to do is to go to that specific composition, go to that specific file, right click, copy, and you can paste it in here, okay? And you can paste your character right in. And from there on, all the animations will work. And in Keynote, you actually have a couple of extra animations that will show in the tutorial that demonstrates the template. This is just a quick overview. Now, I want to show you how this looks. I'm going to just play it quickly. Play on this, okay? And you can see the animations, right? Everything moves. And you can change these animations. You can change the timing. You can change basically the colors. You can change the speed of these animations also. You can see here the speed that you want the animations to work on will depend on how fast you push the next or the space key on your keyboard. So that's really intuitive. You can easily adjust the timing this way. And you have also other options that the tutorial shows in detail. So this is how it works in Keynote. And of course, also in Keynote, you have the option to save this as a video file. And the tutorial shows you exactly how to do that. The tutorial that will be included in this project when you purchase it. Now, this is just a quick overview. So once again, you have all these characters that you can choose from, and you can easily with you just copy them and paste them into your main composition like this. For example, let's change this guy here. I'm gonna delete this one, add this one here, scale it up a little bit like this, and then we add an animation effect. Let's say fade and move. Boom. I'm gonna just change the direction. I want it to come from the right side. Okay, let's preview the movement. Awesome. So we got the movement. That's how simple it is to animate everything with this template inside Keynote. Okay, so you can also add your own image. Let me show you. In Keynote, you just drag and drop your image, and that's it. You can scale the image down, and you have your image wherever you want it in your composition. Okay, so that's the news. We now officially support Keynote, and the video, this template works perfectly with Keynote. Of course, you have the option to save this as a movie, and we'll show you the details on that. For now, I'll just show you this, export to movie. And then here you can export it in full HD, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just send me a comment, send me a message. Thanks.